Come on. Good boy. Next.
Happy
Come on.
Christmas.
Keep going.
So,
Keep going. Yeah, come on. Again.
Go, Christopher.
No, you've got to get down. Don't look around. That's it. Yeah, foot down. Come on, foot.
Go, Christopher.
Again. I'm behind you, so don't worry. No, you're not going to lean on me. Come on.
Go, Christopher.
We're doing this much better. Get your hands.
I've already done it once, Daddy.
Slide your hands. No, that's good. Look with your hands forward. That's it. Good boy. And again.
And he did this all on his own
Yeah.
before, without asking you.
You go. Come on. Yeah. So you can do it, can't you? Good self-correction there, Christopher. Excellent. Come on.
Just one reason to fall down the stairs.
Come on. That's. Yeah. Good boy. Okay. Come forward. Come forward. Okay. Lean forward. That's it. That's good. This is just about motor planning. You know what you've got to do?
Hey, Christopher. The big cube behind you.
And again, reach across. Good boy. Yeah, now you just got to get a bit nearer.
Go, Christopher.
That's it. Now, and lean forward. That's it.
Good boy, Christopher.
Whoop. And whoop. No, come on.
You're almost there,
Chris,
Christopher.
almost there. Come on, you're almost there. We're going to just move your arm forward. We're going to just move your arm forward. I did tell you you'd have to walk down again if you went upstairs, but you wanted to.
Well done, Christopher.
Come on.
One more step.
Up.
No, not one more step to sit on.
And
Halfway up the stairs.
there you go. Good boy. Well done.
Well done, Christopher.
This way.
He's hoping for coffee.
Come on, this way.